Hi friends, I am Manish. Today I am discuss about the Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, that is virtual machine on AWS. It's also called Amazon EC2. So basically, Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud is a part of Amazon's cloud computing platform. It's a computing platform. So AWS allow users to rent virtual computers to run their own computer application suppose somebody wants to uh, launch some website. Okay, so they can use this virtual machine from Amazon Web Services as a pay as you use model. Okay, so it's provide secure resizable compute capacity in the cloud as Amazon EC2 instance. Imagine you are responsible for a design and architecture of your company. So you need to support new website and you want to use your traditional methods to deploy the server and do some configuration. So you will follow some methods like you have to spend some money to purchase hardware and just wait for the servers to be delivered to you. So first you have to purchase your server from some vendors like Dell and wait for the server to be delivered to your address. Okay, so it will take some time. After that, installation of the server in your physical data server will completed. Okay, and after completion of the installation you will make all the necessary configurations to launch the website. So this process is the time taken and you have to wait for some time to launch your website. But if we are comparing with the Amazon EC2 instance, you can use a virtual server to run application in the AWS cloud. Okay, so you just provision and launch an Amazon EC2 instance within a minutes. Okay, so suppose you want to um test your website before launching the production moment. So you can provision an Amazon EC2 instance from AWS. You can stop using it when you have finished your testing phase. Okay, so you will pay only for the compute time you use when an instance is running, not when it is stopped or terminated. Okay, so in such cases you can save cost by paying only for the server capacity that you need or want. After the testing and all the things you will be done, you can purchase Amazon EC2 for the production moment. Okay, so it will take very less time to deploy any website. Okay, so in next step you you will know like how to Amazon EC2 works. So there are three phases how you can launch your EC2 instance. First step is that, and second one is how you can connect the EC2 instance, and third one is use of EC2 instance, like you will install install some services, you will you have to do some configuration. So there are three phases: launch, connect, and use. Okay, So in first phase, you have to select some templates with basic configuration. These templates are available on Amazon Web Services. Okay, so these configuration include the operating system, application server, or application. You also select the instance type, which type of instance you want to launch, you want to use. So there are multiple instance type. We will discuss in next lecture. Like as per your requirement, there are several options. So you select the instance type, which is specific hardware configuration of instance, and as you are preparing to launch an instance, you specify some security settings, okay, to control the network traffic. It's a kind of virtual firewall you have to configure, so that they can mm, control your inbound and outbound traffic. Okay, so later in this course we will explore Amazon EC2 security features in greater details. Okay, so now you are able to launch the EC2 instance. Next one is connect to the instance. You can connect to the instance in several ways. Your programs and application have multiple different methods to connect directly to the instance and exchange data. User can also connect to the instance by logging in and accessing the computer desktop. So suppose you want to connect uh, your EC2 instance, so you can connect via the console. Okay, and now you can use your third party software, like for Windows you can use remote desktop, okay, and RDP, and for Linux server you can use the putty, okay, to connecting the EC2 instance, that is virtual server. And third one is use. After you have connected to the instance, you can begin using it. You just run your commands to install software. Like if you are using a Linux server and you want to deploy some Apache server, okay, so you have to install some software, add storage, and some files you need to be copy. Okay, so there are three steps to um, working of EC2 instance: launch, connect, and use. In next lecture, we will know more about the instance type, and also we will see the demo how we can do, how can we perform these steps. So thank you for watching.